Hey, welcome once again. And in this video, we are going to talk about a very interesting topic, a simple, small video talking about Chrome extensions. A lot of you would be using Chrome as a primary browser for making websites on WordPress. However, there would be many who would be using Firefox or Safari. I highly recommend to those people to switch to Chrome because Chrome is one of the finest browser when it comes to making websites, or especially WordPress website. And this, the reason being, you can take the advantage of using multiple Chrome extensions that would ease your process of website building. So in this video, I'm going to talk about 3 must-have Chrome extensions that needs to be installed on your Chrome browser right now, so that WordPress making websites on WordPress should be a cakewalk for you. So before starting, just a quick reminder that if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, and if you like the video, do like and share as much as possible. Alright, so let's start. And the first extension we are talking about is the ColorZilla. ColorZilla, just go to Chrome. I'm on Chromium right now. I have already installed these extensions on my Chrome. So just go to ColorZilla on your Chrome browser and add to Chrome. Once installed, let's see how it is beneficial for us. ColorZilla gives you an option to pick any color from the web page. Exact hexacode or hex code would be copied and you can paste it anywhere you want. Suppose I have installed this ColorZilla here. Just click here and let's hover over anything like this button. What's the color of this button? You know, red, but there are many shades of, so it will just click on this and see when it is red, it is already copied to your clipboard. Now you can paste it anywhere. For example, I need to change the color of this button, so let's go to edit and style. Don't get confused with Elementor if you haven't used it. And background color, just paste it anywhere and it will have the color of that thing. I hope let's change the background of this. Edit column, style, just an option I'm showing you, color, and let's paste it in this. See, the background color changed. Let's update, maybe whatever. So this ColorZilla helps you pick colors from anywhere on the web page, and it's an amazing extension that you need on your Chrome browser. Second up is WhatFont. WhatFont is when you come across any good font and you want to know what are the font family they are using, what is the size, what is the line height, what is the color, exact color. This works, color for this WhatFont only works for text, so we need ColorZilla separately also. So just go to WhatFont, add it to your Chrome, and let's see how it is beneficial. This icon here, F question mark, is that, and suppose I want to know what font is this, so I'll click on that font and it will give me the details for it. So it is using Poppins 500, style is normal, weight is the boldness 500 bold, size 22 pixel, line height, color also they are showing. So amazing for taking inspiration from other websites, and then you can change the typography exactly however you want. So this is like if you want to know the font, all about the fonts on a particular web page. Okay, this is the second Chrome extension. The third is also an important one, and it is called Imageye. Imageye, the single E, and image downloader. And this extension, as it's the name suggests, is a image downloader. And when you have installed it, you'll get an option something like this. This icon is for Imageye. When you just click on that, it will scan the complete opened web page, and it will scan all the images. See, it has scanned all the images present on this web page, and then you can download it to your local drive simply by clicking on it and then just download one image, or you can press Ctrl and select multiple images as well, and then download the 3 images. So these are the 3 extensions that would make your WordPress journey a cakewalk, because these are 3 must-have extension according to me. I always use them. I also use many more extensions, but these are the 3 must-have for any WordPress developer whether you're a beginner or an advanced user. So hopefully you found this video interesting, and if you did, please subscribe if you haven't already, and like and share this video. Also, you can comment if you have any more doubts. Also, you can comment if you know of any good extension, so we all will get the benefit from it. Thank you so much for watching.